Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and we're going to work on our calendar journal today. I'm going to do a page for my son-in-law. His birthday was January the 2nd, and I didn't put him a page in here and I didn't include it, and I want to do that because he's very important to me. He is very important to my daughter and my grandchildren. So I have a piece of coffee dyed, this is Deli paper. And I have taken some of my die cuts and just put inside there, glued them down, and then stitched around this. So I've got a double layer. This is going to be kind of the front side, and then this is going to be the back side, but it's going to go in like this. So this would represent maybe January the 1st, and this the 2nd, his birthday. So we're going to do a little bit of, let me grab these things because these are some of the things that I had thought about putting on here. I don't know how much of this I will add, but I want to do a collage for him. So I think I will start out with some blue paper, since right now we're kind of working with blue. And I thought about just, adding his picture on here and putting something up about his birthday and that kind of thing. And I thought, no, I need to do some journaling. I need to write some things about him. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's see. I want to put a piece of this paper in there. Just a scrap of it. And I think I would like that one right there. And I'm going to tear it around the edges. So let's see. I'm probably going to stack things, and I don't know. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it, truthfully. We're just going to lay it down, and if it looks good, we'll keep it, and if it doesn't, we'll change it out. And I did print out his picture with my little HP sprocket. I love that thing. It works well. So let's see. I think I'll go this direction like that. And then I just have this little scrap of cardstock that I thought I'd put in there just to kind of break up where those two come together. And let's see. And I'll kind of lay it out first before I start adding a lot of other things. Let's see, do we need any book page there or not? Not book page. Coffee dyed paper. What am I talking about? We could put a piece of that there. That would not hurt, would it? Let's do that. I'm going to cut that little, or tear that little tail off. We don't want that little tail hanging out there. This is just a scrap piece of coffee dyed paper. I'll tuck that in like that. Some of these I may stitch around just to kind of make them look a little bit more, maybe they'll stand out a little bit more, if you know what I mean. Now, I don't know that this and this goes perfectly together, but I wanted something behind his picture. And these little pieces come with the sprocket. I may end up changing that. I don't really like that. It doesn't go. So let's put his picture on this. That blends a little, well, it doesn't blend, but that looks a little bit better with his shirt because his shirt's got some blue in it. Now, when my daughter sees this picture, she's going to say, what happened to me? Because I cut her out of it. It's not her birthday, it's his. When it's her birthday, I'll put a picture of her on there. But, okay. There we go. Tear a little piece of that. And I think it'll go down on there like that. Yes, it will. So we're going to ink a little bit around this. And we could ink in blue, but since I've got so much blue going on, I'm just going to ink in my vintage photo. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this little photo down, and these are self-adhesive. So if I can get the back off of it, I will put it down there. And these stick very fast, so when you get it down, hope that you're where you want it. There we go. That'll work. Alright, so just looking at this. Now, I've got some little labels and things. Let's see. This one says, and I don't know if I'll put it or not, but it says Lux Hotel. He travels all the time, so he's always in hotel rooms. This one says travel doesn't care about the destination. That's about right, isn't it? Trim that off a little bit more. So I may tuck that one in under his picture right there, but I want my wording to show. There we go. And then I've got this little piece that I cut out of the paper collection. It just says Sunday because that was the date of his birthday. May put that there. This says the 2nd, so I thought I might put that on there somehow. Let me see what else I got. I also have this, that it has a passage ticket, baggage check, Eastern Airlines, all of that, because he is always on an airline somewhere. Bless his heart, he sleeps in hotel rooms more than he sleeps at home. Sure, and this is going to get very, very busy. But I've got a lot of things I want to get in there. So let's see. Let's slide him down a little bit more. And put that there. That up there. And I was going to put these pieces on there, but I think I will leave those off. I might put that one up there. Because it should say 190% because he is very courageous in all the things that he does. He never complains. He works hard for his family. He's just... Anyway, okay. Now, my thing is, if I take everything up, I can't remember how it went down without taking a photo. So, the best thing that I know to do is I start gluing some pieces. And I just kind of glue little bitty pieces together. And it helps... I don't want to take a picture and look at the picture, so I just kind of glue here and there. Well, so let's push that up a little bit. Glue that there. Okay, I kind of know how those are going to go, so I'm going to glue this little strip down. And the main thing about doing something like this is don't get your edges even. Make sure that all of your little edges are uneven. You don't want to put like this right up there or this right down here. You want to make sure that it's uneven. That makes your collage look a little bit better. Okay. I think I will go like that with that. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Ooh, I got that one glued a little bit. And glue this down a little bit more. Well, I was going to stitch around some of these, wasn't I? But I don't think I will now. I think we'll just let it go like it is. We could take it over and stitch, but I'm just going to put it down like it is. I think it'll be fine. I've got the page stitched around, so not a problem. Okay. So we're going to put that right there. right, now, let's see. Let's get him on here somehow first. Okay, I'm going to glue just the center of this down so that I can still tuck in if I need to. Okay, let's see. This I wanted to put right there, I think. And then this Sunday, I thought about putting it right there. Put that 2 there. Okay, what about there? And then the 2 goes here. That's better, I think. Okay, and I think I'll tuck that in over there. This, I'm just going to put this down here at the bottom, I think. Don't want it up there at the top because we've got a lot going on up there at the top. All right, this, I don't know about. I want to put it on there. Let's ink it and see what it looks like. It might look better when it's inked. It's pretty bold right now. Yeah, I don't mind that. And I can write on it. Do you believe it? All of my stickers and everything, I could not find anything that said happy birthday. I'm sure I have something, but to find it was another thing. So we're just going to kind of go like this. This is going to look very, very busy, but there's just a lot of little pieces that I wanted to include because they kind of go with him and his birthday. Okay, so there's that. Now this is actually a kind of a burgundy color, and it doesn't really get, well, it goes with that, so I guess I'll use it. And I'm thinking that this is a sticker. I don't know. Alright, we're going to ink around it and glue this down. And put this down. I think I'm going to tear that black off right there on that. And I might tear a little bit off of this end. I don't particularly like how that looks. Okay, I think that's going to look better. See, this is my problem when I start collaging. I want to put everything on there. Everything. But we can't do that. Okay, did I glue that? No, I did not. That's glued, that's glued. Okay. I'm thinking that that might be it. And we'll just glue everything down now. Okay, let's see if we can do some writing on here. My writing is not that great, but we'll see what we can do with it. And right here I'm going to put Jan for January. So happy birthday, Benji, Sunday, January 2nd. I think that will work. And I can do a little more journaling there about his birthday bash. All right, I think that is going to be our collage for today. And these are very easy to make. Just grab some, you can use vellum, you can use tissue paper, I guess. I don't know, I've never tried to sew tissue paper. And just put something inside it and then stitch it together. So that's going to go there. And I'll probably put something on here on the corners especially, but I'm not going to do that right now. And then there is his birthday. So that is our memory for that birthday. All right, I'm not sure what I'll do on this yet. I mainly wanted to get this finished, so I've got that done. And that is the 2nd of January. And I think that's all that we're going to do in this little journal today. The journal videos are going to be short, probably short and sweet, hopefully. Because I want to do like 1 page a week or something like that. I don't want to do a lot of pages and have it, you know, kind of confusing to everybody. I want to do maybe 1 page here and 1 page there, and that way you can keep up if you want. So that is my birthday. I don't have an anniversary in my family that I know of in January. So that is the only birthday that we have. Bless his heart, being born right after Christmas. I'm going to put this little piece of trim on here just for a little tab-like thing. There we go. All right, I hope you enjoyed that, and I want to see pictures of your calendar journals, and we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.